Good morning to all of you. Today we shall discuss about the solution of equations in the following methods. Now, algebraic method solution of quadratic equation by algebraic method. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Its power is 2. This is a quadratic equation. We take common a here x square b by a x c by a equal to 0. If you multiply by a ax square a to a bx or a cross c, then x square a here in the product positions change the side, that's become 0. X square plus b by ax plus c by a. Here change the side, c by a, x square plus b by ax. Now we convert these equations like x square plus 2xy plus y square equal to x plus y का whole square in this form, so that here x square 2 into product of both 2 into x, here b by a 2 means b by 2a का स्क्वायर ऐड किया, एडिंग बोथ साइड b by 2a का स्क्वायर, here also to add b by 2a to the power 2, because if this and this cancel and after that this 2 to cancel b by a x square, this cancel, this is minus c by a, no change in this value. Now x is a square, x square plus 2xy plus y square equal to x plus y, just like x square 2a into दोनों का प्रोडक्ट plus b by 2a का स्क्वायर, that is equal to x plus b by 2a का whole square. And here c by a, b by 2a to the power 2 b square divided by 4a square divided by 4 square. After that we take LCM, 4a square, a cancel 4ac plus b square. Here x plus b by 2a equal to plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. Here x equal to change the side of b by 2a, here minus b by 2a plus minus under root b square minus 4a square, that comes out from the bracket 2a. x equal to minus b under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a here. It means that if we take the positive sign, we get the first root, and take negative sign, we get second root. Now alpha equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and beta equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now d equal to b square minus 4ac. It is called discriminant of the quadratic equation. Discriminant of the quadratic equation. Thus, we write the first root alpha equal to minus b and putting b square minus 4ac d such that d equal to minus b plus under root d by 2a and beta equal to minus b minus d root d by 2a. Thus we get both the root because it is a quadratic equation. Its power is 2. It has 2 values. Now, nature of roots of quadratic equation. This and this. One root is alpha equal to minus b plus under root d by 2a, and other root beta equal to minus b minus under root d by 2a. What is the nature of this? Nature of roots of the quadratic equations. If nature of roots depend on d. If d equal to 0, put the d equal to 0, this and this both quantity remove. Alpha equal to minus b by 2a and d. Now if d greater than 0, d value of d greater than 0. In this case, roots are real and distinct. उस पोजीशन में रूट्स क्या होगा? रियल होगा. डिस्टिनेट मीन्स होता है डिफरेंट, अलग अलग. डिस्टिनेट मीन्स होता है डिफरेंट यानी बोथ रूट आर डिफरेंट. इफ d equal to 0, in this case d equal to 0, this and this both quantity become 0. In this case, alpha equal to minus b by 2a minus b by 2a and beta equal to also minus b by 2a minus b by 2a. In this case, both roots are equal and roots are real and equal. Roots जो है real होगा और equal बराबर होगा. In this case, third position, if d less than 0, if d discriminant of the quadratic equation d 0 से जो है 0 d less than 0, it means that this quantity is negative quantity under root quantity become negative, so that roots are imaginary. In this case, a, b, c, if belong to the rational numbers, the imaginary roots occurs in conjugate form like alpha plus I beta and alpha minus I beta. In this case, roots are imaginary काल्पनिक. I equal to under root minus 1. This is known as iota. Its value is under root minus 1, and such type of quantity removed to under root we write in the form of I. In the form of I, one root is alpha plus I beta and other root is alpha minus I beta in the conjugate form जो है. Now linear equation of one variable. Here variable quantity is x and a and b are the constant quantity. It's constant quantity. If you solve this form, then ax equal to minus b. Also, we change the side of a x equal to minus b by a. In this sense, 5x equal to minus 3 implies that x is equal to minus 3 by 5. Now, it can also be present by the graph. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. X-axis x dash, y dash. This is origin, and we plot this on the graph paper. First of all, we take a some same distance. Now 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3, and so on. Y dash. Here x equal to minus 3 by 2. It is origin. Its coordinate is 0, 0. And if you move here, that is a positive. On x-axis, this is negative. On x-axis, this is positive. On y-axis, and this is negative on x-axis. On y-axis, this is negative on y-axis. Now x is equal to minus 3 by 5. Here x equal to 1. X is equal to 2, here x is equal to 1, but minus 1, here 3 by 5, it means that any object to divided into the 5 part and we take 3 parts, that is known as 3 by 5. This distance divided into the 5 part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And also minus 3 by 5, 1, 2, 3, that is known as x equal to minus 3 by 5. X equal to minus 3 by 5. Now, if you draw a line here, that is x equal to 2. X equal to 2 and x minus 2 equal to 0 in this case. Y equal to only y equal to 1. This is y equal to 1. Y equal to 1 parallel to x axis. This is y equal to 2. Y equal to 2. It means that y minus 2 equal to 0. This such type of. Now, linear equation of two variables here. In this case, linear equation, two variables here, x and y are variable and a, b are constant. We can also this representing on the graph paper here. Also we take this and this. This is x dash, y and y dash. This is origin. Now we put the value of x and y according to our convenience. If we put x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, this becomes 0, y equal to 12 by 3, y equal to 4. If y equal to 0, putting in this equation, y equal to 0, this becomes 0, x is equal to 12 by 4, 3. And after that, we plot this on the graph xy. xy x0 4. Here 3 xy coordinate 3 4. 3 0, not 4. Now we plot this point on the graph paper. 0 4, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4. We take similar distance. 0 4 xy कोऑर्डिनेट है, xy पर 0 का 0 और एंड 4 1 2 3 4. Here this point is 0 4. Now another point 3 0 3 0. xy coordinate x axis पर 3 positive. Here 1 2 3. Y axis 0. This is y equal to 0. Here 3 0. Now we draw a line. This line represents the equation 3x 4x plus 3y equal to 12. Now third simultaneous linear equation, यानी डबल इक्वेशन है, डबल इक्वेशन are two variables. First x and y are the variable, and here a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 are the constant terms. Such type of equations we solve with the help of algebra as well as with the help of graph. Now here a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Simultaneous equations of two variable x and y, rest are the constant terms. Now first we check these equations had unique solution, no solution, or infinite solution. Sometimes we start to solve the questions, but at last, if the equations have no solutions, in this case we unable to solve this because it has no solutions, and at last we looks like this question is wrong, but that is correct. So that to start the solve such type of equations, first of all we check it. Here case first, a1 divided by a2, that is a coefficient of x in the first equation and coefficient of x in the second equation. b1 and b2, b1 is the coefficient of y in the first and b2 is the coefficient of y in the second equation. First of all we compare the given equations with the help of this standard form. Here a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2. In this case, equations have unique solution, and both the graph line intersect at any point And in this case, just if we draw a graph of both lines that intersect at any point, and that coordinate is the solution of x and y. Second case, if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 does not equal to c1 by c2. In this case, both lines are parallel. Both lines are parallel. Both lines are not intersect at any point, and it has infinite solutions. The value of x and y are infinite. Third case, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. If these ratios are same, in this case both lines are coincide. It means that both lines, the position of both lines is same. Yeah, that equation represents the same line, and it had no solutions. It had no solutions. Now, so in the first case, a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2. Equations have unique solution. Both the graph line intersect at any point. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 does not equal to c1 by c2, both lines are parallel. Both lines are not intersect at any point. It has no solutions. In this case, it has no solutions because both lines are parallel. And third case, if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, both lines are coincide, and it had infinite solutions. It had infinite solutions. In this case, we solve the equations. अब सिमुल्टेनियस लीनियर इक्वेशन है a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Solution by cross multiplication. Here, in this case, x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1. b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Now, y plus minus plus y a1 c2 minus a2 c1 and 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now this indicates first and second, and this is third. By first and third, x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal to first and third 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. In this case, this term takes place here. X equal to a1 b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is the value of x. And similar conditions, minus y by a1 c2 minus a2 c1 equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Also, this minus sign change these positions. These terms comes in this position and this positions, so that y divided by a2 c1 minus a1 c2, and after that this terms comes on here, and y equal to a2 c1, y equal to a2 c1 minus a1 c2 divided by a1 b1 minus a2 b2. Now such type of equations, first of all, given any equation to compare this, and we get the value of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, and that value put in this positions, we get direct the value of X and Y. Now, we take example, problem solve it by algebraic as well as graphical methods. Now, we solve these equations with the help of both methods. Now, this is the simultaneous linear equations. This equations 1, equations 2. Now, first of all, we eliminate any terms like X or Y, both. Now, we remove the X. For this, we multiply these equations by 2 and these equations by 3. Equation 1 multiply by 2, subtract equation 2 multiply by 3. Equations 1 multiply by 2, 2 3 is 6x plus 2 2 is 4y equal to 2 4 is 8. And equations second 3 3 2 is 6x, 3 3 is 9y, 3 7 is 21. After that, this is subtract. In this case, change the sign, minus plus minus. 6x, 4y plus 4y, 13y, and 8 or minus 28, 13, that is negative, so that y is equal to minus 1. Y equal to minus 1. Putting this value in the equation 1, 3x plus 2y equal to 4. 3x plus 2 into minus 1 equal to 4. 3x equal to minus 2. Here plus 2 plus 4, x equal to 6 divided by 3 equal to 2. आंसर जो है x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1. This question also solved the other type. Now, first of all, we take the value of x from 1 by another method. B 3x by 1, 3x plus 2y equal to 4, imply that 3x equal to 4 minus 2y. After that, x equal to 4 minus 2y divided by 3, putting this value in equation 2, 2x minus 3y equal to 7. Here 2 into 4 minus 2y divided by 3 minus 3y equal to 7. Also 2 4 is 8 minus 2 2 is 4y minus 3 3 is 9y divided by 3 equal to 7. 9y and 4y minus 13y 8 minus 13y equal to 21. 8 minus 21 equal to 30y. Change the side, negative, positive and positive, negative. Here 13 13y, it means that y equal to minus 1. Here also y equal to minus 1. Putting this value in 1, we get x equal to 2. Another method also developed. We take the value of x by 1, x equal to 4 minus 2y, 4 minus 2y divided by 3 by 2, x equal to 7 plus 3y divided by 2. Both the value of x, so that imply that 4 minus 2y divided by 3 equal to 7 plus 3y divided by 2. By cross multiplication, 2 4 are 8 and 2 2 are 4y divided by 3 7 are 21 plus 3 3 are 9y. After that, this is comes here 8 minus 21 and 9y, change the side, plus 4y. It means that minus 13 equal to 13y, implies that y equal to minus 1. Also putting this any equation, the value of y, we get the value of x equal to 2. This is another method. Now we solve this with the help of graph tomorrow. Like, subscribe and share with friends. Thank you.